Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to add pronouns to Instagram profile. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you have updated it, open Instagram and log into your account. Now go to your profile page, tap on Edit Profile. Now tap on Pronouns. You will see this type of page when you tap on Pronouns. You can add pronouns in any language that you want. You choose any language from here. You can add up to 4 pronouns. Once you have done adding pronouns, tap on Save Changes. Now tap on Done again. That's all it takes to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.